Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. We're going to show you a little partner play with a pair of our short ropes. Remember, these are about 6 to 8 inches long and they are 1 inch in diameter, cotton ropes. Okay. So what you just saw, we showed you at a couple different levels. We went down to a nice low level to begin with. Don't go all the way down into a full squat like with your butt down by your heels. You want to keep it so it's out just a little bit. And then if that's too much, you can obviously you can take any of those higher positions we showed. What this is great for is that we're both putting tug on it just with our body weight. Then we're resisting as the other person pulls, and it just gives us a nice, it's wonderful. This is end of the day for us, so we've already done a lot of stuff this morning with clubs and kettlebells and ropes and double ball staff and pendulums, God knows what else. So this is our afternoon to come out and just heal it up a little bit and open up the myofascia a bit and basically just have some more fun.